They say dogs are man's best friend, but some of our four-legged friends cost more than a small car. Own one of these canine companions, and you're sure to be dropping a few $1,000s minimum. Here in Informafacts we will talk about the most expensive dogs in the world, just in case you're wanting to splash the cash. Before we continue in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification button for you not to miss our newest update. 15. English Bulldog, $4,300. Most expensive dogs. English Bulldog. Also known as the British Bulldog or English Bulldog, this medium-sized breed comes in as the 15th most expensive dog on our list. Its wrinkled face and a distinctive pushed-in button nose are its most recognizable features. According to the American Kennel Club, Bulldogs were the fourth most popular pure breed in the US in 2016. However, they're notorious for ongoing health problems, so the price you pay to buy one initially might also be the price you pay in maintenance. 14. Portuguese Water Dog, $5,000. Most expensive dogs. Portuguese Water Dog. Next on the list is a breed of working dog, as classified by the American Kennel Club, known as a Portuguese Water Dog. Originating in the Algarve, Portugal, and made famous by the US President Barack Obama's dog called Bee, this fluffy creature is identified by their wavy and curly coat and non-shedding ability. A male Portuguese Water Dog weighs 19-27 kilograms and it is 50-57 centimeters in height, whilst the female is around 43-52 centimeters tall and 16-23 kilograms in weight. They normally live for 10-14 years. 13. Saluki, $5,500. Most expensive dogs. Saluki. Another pricey sight hound. The Saluki was bred by nomadic tribes to run down game animals. It primarily uses sight to hunt rather than scent. Usually living a good 12-14 years, the Saluki has very long legs, a lanky frame and an overall unconventional appearance. Weighing around 40-60 pounds respectively and standing tall at 25-28, you'll certainly get a decent wow on your $5,500. 12. French Bulldog, $6,000. The French Bulldog is a result of a cross between English Bulldogs imported from England and Parisian Ratters. Originating in the 1800s, they cute but pricey animals get their hefty high price tag from the exclusivity. They're very difficult to breed, due to the narrow hips, and only produce 2-3 puppies per litter. So, that's why these little beauties are one of the most expensive dogs in the world, costing upwards of $6,000. 11. Akita, $6,500. The Akita is a pretty expensive breed of dog whose origins lie in the mountainous regions of northern Japan. However, there are two types of Akita, the Japanese Akita and the American Akita. They are normally easy to identify due to the variation in colors. Japanese Akitas come in a more narrow palette of colors, whereas the American strain of Akita comes in all dog colors. Females can weigh about 34-50 kilograms and males weigh in around 45-59 kilograms. Males reach heights of about 26-28 and females reach heights of 24-26. 10. Afghan Hound, $7,000. Easily distinguishable by its wrinkled tail and thick silky smooth hair, the Afghan Hound was bred for its unique features in mountains of Afghanistan. They are 64-69 centimeters tall and usually weigh in around 23-27 kilograms. Their coat can be in any color, like fawn, gold, or cream with a black facial mask. Any white markings are discouraged, as they draw you away from the beauty of the pure black face. Its uniqueness and individuality are probably enough to justify its $7,000 price tag. 9. Pharaoh Hound, $7,500. Being the national dog of Malta, the Pharaoh Hound gets a lot of attention for its very individual appearance and disposition. It's called Kelp Telfneck in Maltese, which means rabbit dog, and is traditionally used for hunting rabbit in the Maltese Islands. Pharaoh hounds tend to weigh up to 45-55 pounds, depending on the sex of the dog and its eating habits. Males usually are 23-25 tall, while females are 21-24. They are loyal and can be trained well, making them another great addition to the family if you can afford it. 8. Doggo Argentino, $8,000. Muscling its way into our top 10 is the Doggo Argentino. Traditionally developed to be used for big game hunting, the muscular monster is one of the most expensive dogs we've seen so far. It was first bred in 1928, from the Cordoba fighting dog along with other breeds like the Great Dane. The dogs have a large white muscular body, with a short coat and a deep-set thick chest. They make for a good family pet despite their domineering appearance, but need to have regular exercise. 7. Canadian Eskimo Dog, $8,750. The Canadian Eskimo dog is one of the oldest and rarest working dogs from the Arctic and were brought from Siberia to North America by the Thule people over 1,000 years ago. Their number began to diminish toward the end of the 1960s due to the increasing popularity of snowmobiles and the spread of infectious canine diseases. Now threatened with extinction, with an estimate of only 300 purebred dogs left, you can see why they command such a large price. 6. Rottweiler, $9,000. The Rottweiler is a medium-large domestic dog, bred for working purposes in Germany. They were known as Rottweiler Metzgerhund, which means Rothwell butcher's dogs, and their main use was to pull carts full of butchered meat to market and herd livestock. With an average lifespan of 8-10 years, the weight of 50-60 kilograms and reaching heights of 24-27, it would be easy to judge a book by its cover and label the Rottweiler as an aggressive monster. 5. Azawake, $9,500. The Azawake is yet another sighthound on our list, but this one is from West Africa instead of England. Identifiable by its slender body and striking almond eyes, the Azawaka is one of the priciest breeds on our list. Azawakas have a lifespan of around 10-12 years, weigh roughly 15-25 kilograms and stand about 25-29 tall. It is among the rare breeds on our list that are available for ownership in the US and Canada. 4. Tibetan Mastiff, $10,000. This absolute giant dog originates from Tibet and belongs to the Mastiff family. Its original purpose was to protect sheep from predators, like wolves, leopards and bears. Its size alone is enough to intimidate even the hungriest of predators. Males can reach heights of up to 33. The original Tibetan Mastiff usually weighed 55-90 kilograms. Although they were originally used as guardians, over time the enormous dogs became too expensive to maintain for their nomadic owners, and their number slowly began to diminish. If you've got a spare $10,000 and want to make a bit of a statement, then this might be the pup for you. 3. Chow Chow, $11,000. Several reasons can be drawn upon to justify why the Chow Chow is one of the most expensive dogs in the world. They're one of the oldest dog breeds in China and incredibly rare. They have a lion-like teddy bear appearance and a unique black tongue. Despite their dangerous reputation, they're famous for their loyalty towards their owners. They do require a good amount of physical exercise, so make sure you're ready for lots of walks and receipts, as they'll keep you spending money on food, treats, vet bills and grooming. But if you spent $10,000 on one of the world's most expensive dogs, who cares? 2. Laotian, $12,000. The Laotian is one of the smallest breeds on our list. The American Kennel Club class it as a non-sporting dog, and it's often considered to be a toy dog by registries. It once had the title of the rarest dog in the world, as in 1973 there were only 65 known dogs left, and now there are only 300 new dogs registered worldwide each year. They're often referred to as little lions and are extremely rare. 1. Samoyed, $14,000. Beating 19 other dogs on our list of the 20 most expensive dogs in the world is a magnificent Samoyed. It's easily identifiable by its beautiful thick, white, double layer coat. Originally it's a large herding dog from Siberia and lives between 12-13 years on average. A fully grown male can weigh 45-65 pounds and a female can weigh around 35-50 pounds. They're very intelligent, sociable and inquisitive animals. These cute fluffy dogs are becoming incredibly rare, which is why we rank them as the most expensive dog breed in the world. We hope you had fun in this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for you not to miss our newest updates. Thank you and see you on the next video.